收睇 LCCF TV。
大家好，今集中巴經典系列不是講巴士，而是說說後勤車輛。中巴巡邏車也有其經典，就是中巴特別鍾情大發 Rocky 車系，連續購買了3代，而第一部是大發 Taft F10，在1974年推出，配備了958cc 電油引擎、4前速手動波箱和2檔動力轉換箱。中巴之後亦購入了2部大發 Taft F70 系，於1984年推出市場，銷往海外版本，稱為 Rocky。 F70 代表使用柴油引擎，而 F80 代表電油引擎，帶有葉片彈簧式活前軸和後軸的梯形框架結構，4輪驅動系統，要求駕駛員在選擇4驅模式時下車鎖定輪轂，但從1991年開始，F70 及 F80 改良變成自動鎖定輪轂。大發於1989年至1997年間推出了改良版的 F300 Rocky Feroza， 中巴亦引進了2部 F300， 只進行了一些非常小的改良，主要限於格柵加大電鍍，尾燈改為在車身上，直至1997年至2002年再度推出小改良版 F300B， 主要是車頭格柵再改變和顏色配搭更改。中巴亦有引入 Rocky， 也可說是在大發的長青樹。在同年大發推出了全新車系 Terios， 它的出現逐漸取代 F300 的角色。Rocky 在2002年在海外正式停售，而在印度生產的內銷 Rocky 則在2007年才停產。最後我們看看當年 Rocky 的精彩廣告。
Like a year till Friday, but Friday's my day. I'm gonna hit the highway. Go Rocky, show me the way. Go Rocky, take me away. And the deserts are the highways, and the mountains are the roads, and the rivers are the byways. There's no place we can't go. Oh, and don't it make you feel good? Here behind the wheel, the feeling is real good. Go Rocky, show me the way. Go Rocky, take me away. DAIHATSU, that's who.
Feroza four-wheel drive, la revolución 4x4 de DAIHATSU.
There's something special about driving a DAIHATSU from Japan. Whether it's the reliability, high mileage, and comfort of our affordable DAIHATSU charades, or the versatile performance of our Rocky wide-track 4x4 with the widest track in its class, you'll feel like the whole town is gonna light up and really take notice. It's how we make them. DAIHATSU.
My heart
new Rocky de DAIHATSU, la fuerza y el silencio.
Fellas on the beach, what they like in a good, tough four-wheel drive.
Fully galvanized body.
Metal bumper bar. Electronic fuel injection. 70 k's of power. 15 more than Vitara.
They like the Daihatsu Feroza because it's as tough as they are.
Feroza jolly tough.
Feroza, as tough as the Iron Man.
Ooh, my little pretty one, lots of fun. You get me going places, my Feroza. Take you to the top, never stop. Moving up when I need to get away. You're the way you get me going places, my.
The new four-wheel drive Feroza from Daihatsu with its 1.6-liter engine and electronic fuel injection. Feroza really gets you going places.
My Feroza.
From Daihatsu, that's who.
My Feroza.
Who's got the Iron Man tough Feroza?
Daihatsu, that's who.
Nuevo DAIHATSU Feroza 93. Toples. Ese japonés se las trae. Ven a conocerlo. DAIHATSU vino para quedarse.
Party down the beach all day.
DAIHATSU 4x4 Feroza.
In the world, DAIHATSU. Introducing DAIHATSU for 1990. Now available at your local DAIHATSU dealer. The economical three-door hatchback, the distinctively styled four-door sedan, the exciting Rocky 4x4 soft top, and the dynamic Rocky hard top. DAIHATSU, one of the most respected names in Japan for over 80 years. DAIHATSU.
Cuando la naturaleza impone desafíos insuperables, irrumpe toda la fuerza del nuevo Rocky 4-Wheel Drive de DAIHATSU. Vivir buscando los obstáculos más difíciles del camino y ganar con el potente motor de 2000 centímetros cúbicos. Vivir su espacio interior y ganar en confort. Vivir desafiando la naturaleza y ganar la ciudad con la fuerza y el silencio de un Rocky 4-Wheel Drive. Nuevo Rocky 4-Wheel Drive de DAIHATSU.
A number of rare sightings have been captured on film, but recently something truly remarkable appeared. This is actual footage of a DAIHATSU Rocky wide-track 4x4 from Japan. Each new sighting reveals that it possesses extraordinary quality. If you haven't seen a Rocky wide-track 4x4 yet, remember, at DAIHATSU, it's not how many they make, it's how they make them. DAIHATSU.
今次節目結束啦，記住 subscribe 我嘅 YouTube channel，下次見，拜拜。